In an ideal world, we would all have great health insurance with free and easy access to doctors of all specialities. But for many people, the reality is very different. If you have private insurance, it's often expensive and has high copays. Or you have no insurance at all. So you think twice before you go to see a doctor, because the copay is high, or the doctor is so busy they don't have an appointment for days or even weeks. And you need help right now. So you turn to the internet. People there are always full of advice. But how do you know if the advice is good? People often think they know, and they're absolutely convinced they're right, but they can be tragically wrong. So who can you trust? We found a great hidden resource, and it's hidden in plain sight. Your pharmacist.
Diabetes sucks.
But at Simply Diabetes, we can help you manage your diabetes cheaper and easier.
We are not medical professionals. We are people with diabetes, just like you.
Welcome. We found a great hidden resource, and it's hidden in plain sight. Your pharmacist. Not a pharmacy tech, but an actual degreed professional who studied medicine at an accredited university. Doctors are usually overwhelmed with patients. Pharmacists are underutilized resources. A pharmacist does sometimes have a line of people in front of them, but often there's nobody at the counter. Wait for a moment like that and start asking questions. A pharmacist can tell you a lot more than how to take medicines. Here's what they can tell you. Who the best doctors are in town. They will not tell you who to avoid, that's unprofessional. But if they like someone, they will tell you. Which meds can help your cold or stomach problem without spiking your sugar? Will my newly prescribed med conflict with meds I'm already taking? Will this new med raise my sugar? Sometimes meds can also lower your sugar, and you want to know that too. And what about vitamins? What vitamins should I be taking? Will they impact my sugar? What vaccinations do I need? We diabetics have higher risks of flu, shingles, pneumonia, and other infections. A pharmacist will help us stay safe. How can I save money on this prescription? They won't tell you unless you ask. You can also ask about patient assistance. How to adjust my meds if I travel across time zones. Sometimes it's not so easy, particularly if you take insulin. If you miss a dose of your meds, they can tell you if you should take it right away or just wait until the regular time. Pharmacists are one of the very few medical resources that aren't stretched so thin that they can't take time to talk to you in depth. Take advantage of this. We do. So, see you next time. Until then, keep your blood sugar in the healthy range. If you find this information useful, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and tell your friends about us.